Hey guys, welcome back to another fresh video, and today the video gonna be very exciting for you because a lot of people was asking me to make a video where crew lives on board. So if you are interested working on cruise ships, then you must know that where we live. So in this video you will see my cabin, we call it cabin. I'll take you to my cabin tour and you will see that how and where we lives. Maybe you will think it's too small, but this is how it is. So let's go to the video and I will show you where we live. So this is our corridor. We call it corridor, crew corridor. So here, this is a corridor like a gully. So we have some names also here if you want to remember, but usually we don't need to remember this because we know the location where we live, so we just go there. So let's go to my cabin and I will show you how it looks like. So this is my room. Let's open. So here we go. This is my key. Let's tap the key. We have a RFID here. So let's enter in the room. It's very dark here. Let me put on the light. Usually if there is a blackout on ship, it's gonna look like this. So it's scary a bit, but okay, let's switch on the light and now I will show you this beautiful room. This is the main door. We will go inside. This is the main switch. This is a switch for bathroom, control for air conditioning. We have two torch here if we have a blackout. Let's get inside and see. Let's put this mask away. Actually, I just moved to this cabin, so I didn't get a lot of things here yet. I just moved. श्री कृष्णा अपने भगवान जी को इधर लेके आया था सबसे पहले, और गृह प्रवेश उन्हीं का हुआ है सबसे पहले। उसके बाद मैं सामान शिफ्ट करूँगा, तो सोचा कि लेट्स मेक ए वीडियो अबाउट दिस। सो जैसे ही आप एंटर करते हो, एट योर लेफ्ट हैंड साइड वी हैव दिस washroom with a full size mirror. This is a full size mirror and the washroom is very big. No, I'm joking, it's very small. It have a shower curtain to take shower and the toilet. So basically this washroom is very small. It's same like the mechanism, like the function of this toilet also is same like in aeroplanes, like vacuum system. See, they have two small racks there, sink, two drawers to put your toiletries if you want to put your toiletries here, and everything in this room you will see we have two. So later on I will tell you that why we have two. Let's close this door. Then let's move to cupboard. Okay, I'll show you the full room view. Yes, this is a AC control like fan, and this is temperature. That's vent. We have cupboard here. I already bring my uniforms and some clothes here. So this is a small, but it's just for one person, so it's okay. We have one rack up there, cupboard, and two small drawers down there. If you want to put your things there, you can put. Same things, we have other cupboard also. Same two drawers, one cupboard, one rack. Here we have locker. If you want to put some, expensive things, like or maybe something vulnerable like your wallet or anything, you can just put in locker and you can make lock, like you can lock it. Two drawers are there. You want to put your stuff, you can put there like water or anything. Two small drawers here, two TV remotes. So maybe you'll be thinking that you didn't see any TV here, why the two remotes are there. We have four cupboards here. Here we have this mini fridge. Mini fridge, it's not fridge actually, it's a cooler, like you can put your rings or anything what you want. It will not make ice, but it will keep it cool. This is a table, small table. We have a power socket there, so I'm gonna use this table as my workstation. Another table is there. This is house phone if you need to call someone in case of blackout. As I told you, there is torch available. You can use this torch to evacuate. In case of blackout, the room gonna look like this, so it's gonna be scary, but we have some illuminated signs there, so you can just watch these signs, grab your life jacket, and you can go. Now let's move to small drawers. They have under bed also, they have two small drawers if you want to put your extra stuff. Two small racks are there. Under this table also, it's foldable. These are bedroom. Two bedrooms there. Okay, now I will tell you that why we have two drawers, two cupboards, two remote, and two racks, because this room is not for only one person. In this room you're gonna stay with two people, guys, and you don't know another person. It could be from your nationality, from your religion, but it's not mandatory. But for sure they are always trying to put, you know, the people who work in same department together, but it's also not mandatory. It depends up to, you know, how vacant cabins they have. So this is our suite, small suite. I'll show you in bed now what we have inside these curtains. We have small bunk beds there. Every time when anyone is moving in or out from the cabin, like leaving or coming back to cabin, then this person is taking care of the person who is coming. Like if I'm leaving from this cabin, I gonna bring linens, towels, and, you know, bed sheets and everything what a person need to require when he is coming on ship in bed. So let's see if the person who was staying here put these things here. I will show you. We will open the curtain and we will see. Guys, this room is very small. As you see, if you will not keep it organized, then you will have a mess and you will not feel comfortable. This is your rest area. This is our rest area after work. We're gonna come here, we're gonna have some rest, have some fun. So we always need to keep it very organized. Let's open this and see what's there. We have life jacket there, one duvet, mattress, two pillows, towel, toilet paper, and everything what a person need to have when he is coming to a new cabin. So this guy who was living here, he did it a very nice way, like he bring everything fresh and he put it on the bed, so that I don't need to struggle, or I don't need to go to linen room and find everything and get back to my cabin. Same things we have down bunk also. So it's a kind of a rule that if someone is coming in this room first, he gonna be on lower berth. If the person who is coming next, he gonna be in upper bunk. So upper bunk is, you know, I don't feel very comfortable in upper bunk, but you know that I came here first, so I gonna stay here in lower bunk, and it's very nice. You see, they have two TVs here. Like we have one TV in upper bunk, one TV in lower bunk. That's why we had these two remotes. Now you understand, guys, that for you maybe it's a very small cabin, but you're gonna share it with someone, and it's not only for crew or staff. 70% of crew, or 80% you can say, living in these cabins with a sharing bunk beds. No, bunk beds are not they don't share bunk beds. So guys, this is the room, how it is. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Thank you so much. Bye bye.